Hello, my mindful foodies. Welcome back to Nourish. Today I've got a really great, simple recipe, oven roasted, silky smooth sweet potatoes. This is the best way you will ever cook a sweet potato, I promise you. Stay tuned. Start with some scrubbed sweet potatoes. You can peel them if you want to. I never do. I like to leave the skin on. There's lots of good nutrients and fiber in there. Just gonna trim the ends. Get rid of those. And then cut them into about 2 centimeter thick slices here. You'll take this sliced sweet potatoes and I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of, this is avocado oil. You can use any oil that you like. It can be olive oil, it can be melted coconut oil. Seasoning with salt and pepper. And just toss those to coat everything. You can use a spoon if you want, but I'm gonna use my hands in a second to put them on the cookie sheet anyway, so. This is totally personal. You can add any seasoning blend you like. Season them to taste. Let's get those nice and coated. Transfer them onto a parchment paper lined baking tray. Spread them into a single layer. And then you'll top that with another piece of parchment paper. This is the secret to silky smooth oven roasted sweet potatoes, is to start in a cold oven, okay? It's not been preheated yet. This works for most root vegetables. When the starches heat up gradually with the oven, they come out velvety smooth. Set the oven to 375. Set a timer for 20 minutes. When the timer goes off, you'll just remove the top sheet of parchment paper. Then set a timer for another 30 minutes. And when they're finished, these will be the most velvety, smooth, delicious sweet potatoes you've ever had. It works for pretty much any root vegetable, carrots, parsnips, turnips. Try it out, comment below, let me know what you think, subscribe, and I will see you again soon.